Sometimes we might accidentally forget something, but you don't need to spend extra time fixing it. All you need to do is open up ChowHUB. Let our smartphone control device do the job. There's more. If someone visits you, you'll get a notification. And you can see who is in front of the door through Chow Bell, and even have a conversation with real-time video. Even if you're not home, you can still open the door at your convenience. You can't control when others arrive at your door, but you can control who has the authority to open it. In addition to daily family use, you can also share it with friends temporarily. No need to go home anymore just to open the door. By letting you monitor your door with real-time images. With the ChowHUB smartphone control device, no matter the time or location, peace of mind is just one tap away. Click, connect, Chow!